Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Piotr Tarnawski, aka Angry Admin, and today I am reviewing Stellar Converter for EDB. This is a tool designed to make the conversion process easy and efficient. If you ever struggle with converting EDB files to PST, you know it can feel like solving a tech puzzle with missing pieces. So, without any further ado, let's have a look. But first, let's recap what an EDB file is. And before that even, let's leave a like and subscribe to my channel. So, an EDB or Exchange database file is a file where Microsoft Exchange stores all mailbox data, like emails, contacts, and calendars. It's a crucial file, but when things go wrong, there are several reasons you may need to export mailboxes to PST. It could be for archiving old data to free up mailbox space, migrating mailboxes to another environment, or meeting compliance and legal requirements. Exporting to PST ensures that mailbox data is securely stored and can be accessed whenever needed. What are the real-life scenarios? Let's say you are using Exchange PowerShell Commlet, such as new mailbox export report, and suddenly it failed due to, let's say, permission issue, or low disk space, or server disconnect mailbox. Then you are in trouble. If you cannot access old EDB files and you're using like database portability or recovery database, LDB, exporting public folders to PSD using native tools can be a headache, especially with large databases. Stellar simplifies this with direct export option for public folders, saving hours of effort. Let's have a look on the Stellar software. So we are going to stellarinfo.com and we can see that this is the EDB to PSD converter, and we can download for free. You don't need to buy, you can download for free and you can do all the operation except saving the files. So if you want to save the files, then you have to buy a license. But to test it, it's perfectly fine if you just go to free download and download the software. So I already downloaded and I have it in my download file, and let's run it. So the installation is very easy. Just click next, you click next, agree, of course read terms and conditions like always we do, click next. I choose the default folder for installation, and let's create a shortcut on desktop and install. Alright, now let's launch Stellar Converter. After installation, the website will open where you can see the watch the demo or user guide, or you can see all the screenshot from conversion, so the full knowledge is there. Okay, once we open the software, we have two options. One option is host Exchange, so you can convert the files from your Exchange server directly. If we click there, we have to just connect to our Exchange. So you put a You can use a single mailbox, so you put the email, server name, password, or you can do all the mailboxes which are on the server. Today on that video, I will focus on the offline option. So let's click offline EDB. Once we click on the offline, we see that this window will pop up, and now we have to browse to our EDB file. I already have, as you can see, EDB file over here. I just highlight it or double click and open it, and click next. And as you can see, that's our files. Okay, so you see that we have two accounts. One is Alexa, one is Jack, and we have a person's calendar. We can see the contacts. We can see inbox and all the emails. And as you can see, all other folders are there as well. Anything in the sent items? Do we have any notes? We have some notes as well. And let's check account. Let's check Jack's account. Again, there's some meetings. Inbox. Sent items. Everything is there. So what now? Now, if we right click on the account, we have a few options. We can send to PST. We can save as MSG, EML, HTML, RTF, PDF. Also, we can export to Exchange server or sync with Microsoft 365, or export to public folder, which I was talking with the real life scenarios. So if we want to save to any of those files, we would need to have a registration key. But as you see, without registration key, you can also have a look and have access to your mailbox. So let's try to save to PST. And as you can see, the licensing page opens, and then we can choose our license. As you can see, there's a corporate, and there's a toolkit, so there's a different licenses. There is a pro and cons of each options, so you have to go through if you want to use it. The link will be in the video description, but for now I have a key, so I will show you how it works. So I enter my key, I click activate, and as you can see, activation is complete, so I click OK. The folder is fine. Okay, and we see now it's exporting everything to my PST file. So let's have a look. Okay. So it should be here. As you can see, it's a new folder, and this is my PST file. Now, how to import that to Outlook? We have to open Outlook. Okay, and now we are going to File and Open and Export, and Open Data File, PST. Yes, this one. Now we have to find it, and it was in my downloads, Stellar folder, and file name Jack. Let's click OK. And you can see that apart from my box, we have a Jack's box as well. And this will be his inbox, sent items, and the other folders as well. Also, if we click on the calendars, you see that this is my calendar and this is Jack's calendar. Let's see if we can cover Alexa. See, okay. Perfect. And as you can see, there's a two mailbox. Yes, it's my one. It's Angry SysOps and the Jack's. There's no Alexa. So let's import that file again. It was open and export data file. And in downloads, there's a stellar Alex. And there you are. It's a new mailbox over there. And that's Alex's emails. Also, Alex's calendar will be there. Yeah. You can also export multiple mailboxes to PST, Live Exchange, or Microsoft 365 in one go. I had shown separately 2 individual mailbox export to PST. This software allows user to select individual or multiple mailboxes and mail items as per their need and save the desired mailboxes. Alright guys, that's easy, very convenient and time-saving tool, which I would recommend you highly if you work with Microsoft Exchange. Please let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share that video with your friends to save them hassle, and see you in the next one. Bye!